Hello students, welcome to DSS online class. I am Sarita Tiwari, your maths teacher. We were studying lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Fun with Gives and Takes. In previous video, we learned about give and take. In this video, we will learn once again about give and takes. Give means give. Give means something to goes from us. Take means something to comes to us. Suppose you have 50 rupees. You give 20 rupees to your friend. Means 20 rupees is get reduced from your 50 rupees. So how much money do you have left? We will subtract 20 rupees from 50 rupees. When we will subtract 20 rupees from 50 rupees, how much money do you have left? 50 minus 20 is 30, means 30 rupees left with you. So, if we give 20 rupees to your friend, 30 rupees is left with you. And similarly, if you take 20 rupees from your friend, so how much money do you have? 20 rupees it's added to 50 rupees. Means we will add 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. When we will add 20 rupees plus 50 rupees, how much money do you have? 50 plus 20 means 70 rupees. Now you have 70 rupees. It means gives means it gets reduced from your money and take it added to your money. I hope you all have understood well. Today we are going to solve some question from your book. Question number 3. Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. We all note electricity reading at our home every month. So Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. And this month's reading is 193 units. So how much electricity did she use in 1 month? Means this 118 unit was last month's meter readings and 193 units is this month's meter reading. So we have to find how much electricity did Reena use in 1 month. We all noted electricity reading at our home every month. When we receive the electricity bill at every month, the units of per month are also added to bill. So how do we know how much do we have consumed this month? We will subtract last unit's month from this month's reading. Let's subtract. This month's reading 193 and the last month of reading reading how much? 118 units. 118 units. When we find consume of electricity of this month, we have to subtract 118 units from 193 units. Let's subtract. We will subtract 8 from 3. But we can't subtract 8 from 3 because 8 is bigger number and 3 is smaller number. What will we do? We will borrow 1 from 9. When we will borrow 1 from 9, here will be 13, and here will be, what will be here? Here will be 8. So 13 minus 8, we will subtract 8 from 13. When we will subtract 8 from 13, what will be here? Here will be 13 minus 8 means here will be 5. Here is 8, 8 minus 1, 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. So 75 units. So how much electricity did she use in 1 month? She used 75 units electricity in this month. So our answer is she used 75 units of electricity in this month, in 1 month. In 1 month. I hope you all understood well. Let's solve next question. Let's solve the next question. And the next question is 4. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? How much money did she spend altogether? Khushbu went shopping. What did she buy? She bought a shirt for rupees 125 and she also bought a trouser, and the cost of trouser is rupees 165. And our question is, how much money did she spend altogether? We have to find the total cost of shirt and trousers. It means when we add the cost of shirt and cost of trousers, then we will find how much money she spent altogether. Let's solve. The cost of shirt. How much? The cost of a shirt, rupees 125. Rupees 125. And the cost of trousers, how much? The cost of trouser, rupees 165. Rupees 165. What will we do in this question? We will add the cost of shirt and the cost of trouser. When we add the cost of shirt and cost of trousers, we will find the total money she spent altogether. Let's add 5 and 5, 10. 10, we will write 0 here and 1 carry over. And now we will add 1, 2 and 6. 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 6, 9. 9. Here is 1 and 1. We will add 1 plus 1. 1 and 1, 2. 290. Rupees 290. How much money she spent altogether? She spent rupees 290. Then our answer is she spent rupees 290 all together. Understand? Khushbu went shopping and she bought a shirt for rupees 125 and a trouser rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? We add the cost of shirt and the cost of trousers. We have found she spent rupees 290 altogether. I hope you all have understood well. If you have any doubt, any problem related to your syllabus, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video. Until then, study well. Thank you.